Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change a fan motor on this S26 Ermator vacuum. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. So the first thing we're going to go over is how to diagnose that your fan motor is bad. So just going to unhook these two hoses here, and then we'll turn on our vacuum. Just put your hand over these holes and you can hear that one sucking really well. This one, on the other hand, is doing nothing. So this motor is not working at all. First thing we're going to do is remove these nuts right here, all four of these, and take these caps off and pull your filters out. Now we're going to remove these foam rings on both sides. Hold these up out of the way, just tuck them up in there, and then if your vacuum is in good enough condition that these screws around the outside are still in place, that's what we're taking out next. So there should be one there, 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 right there, right there, right there, right there, and right there. And once you get those out, you can lift this cover straight up and off. Now we're going to remove this tube here. It's held on by three 10mm bolts. This one, and right back here. Let me see it better from up here. I've got the socket on it right there. It's easier. You can get that one back there with just a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, but it's helpful if you've got extensions like this to reach down there. Now we can just lift this right off. Got access to our fan right there. Remove any kind of seal that you might have right here. This one's obviously homemade. Last thing we need to do to get this fan out of here is remove the screws attaching it to the bottom. This one has two, one right here and one right back there. Yours might have up to 4. There are holes for 4, but those screws need to come out, and then you'll be able to lift this motor out. All right, when you lift this out of here, you do need to twist it to get the brushes out. Just kind of like that. Finagles out the brushes here on the side, come up through these two slots. Now we're going to take an 8mm socket and unscrew this screw here and take this wire off. Last, we've got a white and a black wire here. Mine are held on by wire nuts. You might have quick connect clips or something here, but unhook both this white wire here and this black wire right here. If you have wire nuts like mine, you just unscrew them like that and the wire comes apart. I will have a new fan motor linked in the description down below where you can get one on Amazon. At this point, you just start hooking things back up and putting them back together the way you took them apart. So white wire to white wire, black wire to black wire, and then that ground wire on here, and start reassembling. When you're putting this back down in here, make sure that you don't have any wires caught underneath the motor and this foam here. Your motor probably comes with a new foam seal here. Peel the sticker, stick it down right there, and then reinstall your tube here. It's important to know that this tube is directional. When you stick this back down on those 3 screws there, you want to make sure that the studs up here are in alignment. When you got it back to this point, you can just turn it on and test and make sure that your bolt is spinning. Now you're back to having a functional vacuum here. So at this point, just put it all back together the way you took it apart, and you're done. Hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, smash that thumbs up button. Leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching, and have a good one.